Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. Price appreciation seems likely. As shown by DappRadar data on April 8, the number of Solana network addresses interacting with decentralized applications increased by 11% on average. Bucca, a user-friendly decentralized exchange, DEX, was the absolute highlight, amassing 153,290 users. Even though Solana's TVL has been hit the hardest compared to similar smart contract platforms, there is solid network use on DeFi and NFT marketplaces, as measured by Magic Eden's 212,230 active addresses in the last 30 days. The data above suggests that Solana investors should not worry about the most recent correction. The Solana ecosystem is fueled by the delivery of important milestones toward Ethereum compatibility and NFT market integrations. As long as this happens, the potential for further price appreciation seems likely. SOL price continues to trade lower after a massive fall in the last session. Further, the price is expected to continue south following the big red candlestick. However, the formation of the doji suggests a tug of war between bulls and bears. On the daily chart, the SOL price is struggling below the 0.50% Fibonacci retracement, which is extending from the lows of $77.74. A day before that, the price sliced the critical 200-day EMA exponential moving average, signaling problem for the SOL buyers. Market cap community were taken into consideration to arrive at the final price estimate. In terms of Solana price predictions, the crypto community has an average estimated historical accuracy of 67.9% based on estimates from the last 6 months. Solana is gunning for Ethereum's crown as the battle for supremacy among smart contract platforms rages on. Even though Ethereum continues to lead the pack in this regard, it has not discouraged others who have been rapidly growing to steal market share from it. Solana has no doubt been the most powerful of these contenders, especially with the growth of its NFT space. These NFTs have been doing quite well on the network, attracting millions of new users to the Solana blockchain. Ethereum remains ahead in terms of volume, but it seems this may not be for much longer, as some Solana NFT projects have been breaking records. The OK Bears NFT was like any other NFT launch on the Solana network. It had a waitlist which allowed those who got waitlisted to easily mint the NFTs on the mint day. However, this unassuming project would prove to be a game changer for the Solana network, as it has rapidly grown in popularity and returned one of the highest NFT volumes on record. Should analyze DApp usage metrics. As shown by DappRadar data on April 8, the number of Solana network addresses interacting with decentralized applications increased by 11% on average. Orca, a user-friendly decentralized exchange, DEX, was the absolute highlight, amassing 153,290 users. Even though Solana's TVL has been hit the hardest compared to similar smart contract platforms, there is solid network use on DeFi and NFT marketplaces, as measured by Magic Eden's 212,230 active addresses in the last 30 days. The data above suggests that Solana investors should not worry about the most recent correction. The Solana ecosystem is fueled by the delivery of important milestones toward Ethereum compatibility and NFT market integrations. As long as this happens, the potential for further SOL, a blockchain platform for hosting decentralized apps, dApps, and presently the 6th-ranked cryptocurrency in terms of market value, has had a rocky start to the new year. Despite the fact that the DeFi asset is still a long way from the all-time highs it reached in 2021, the cryptocurrency community at CoinMarketCap is expressing a great deal of confidence for the price of the token, predicting that Solana will trade at $131.79 by the end of May 2022. The projected price reflects a 40.15% or $37.76 increase over the product's existing price at the time of publication. Overall, votes the financial brainchild of Peter Thiel, Max Levchin, and eventually Elon Musk aimed far ahead of its time, facilitating instant payments between customers, businesses and more, while utilizing the internet. Solana, Sol Pay, is considered by many to be the next innovation in the payments processing arena, facilitating payments while taking non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and WEB3 into account. Some are going so far as to call Solana's new payment protocol the Visa or PayPal of WEB3. This post will break down Solana Pay and how it works, so you can decide whether the project is all it's cracked up to be. But first, it's vital to understand Solana, before getting into the digital payment platform Solana Pay. What is Solana? Solana was founded in 2017 by Anatoly Yakovenko, a software engineer with a background at Dropbox and other big tech companies. Yakovenko believed that, while other blockchains are efficient, or at least working toward efficiency, many of them fail to factor in time. Instead of every block relying on a standardized clock, each block runs on the local time of their relevant node. Why is this a problem? Without a standardized clock, transaction timestamps will vary for each block, and the time of confirmation is yet another factor that all nodes must validate. The more factors a node has to validate, the slower the transaction time. On Solana, all nodes run on the same clock, removing one validation factor and speeding up the network as a result. Yakovenko is to around $262.85 by 2024, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. Sol Rate Prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Sol is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Sol will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Sol ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026. Solana Price Prediction 2027. Solana's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Sol could reach $886.45 by 2027, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $731.64 for 2027, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2027. Solana Price Prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Solana could cross $1,220.19 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $1,052.77. Sol Price Prediction 2029. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Solana will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2029, Sol is expected to peak at $1,774.86. The minimum bet could rise to $1,443.62 if the market turns bullish. Solana Price Prediction 2030. It appears that by 2030, Solana, Sol, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2030, we can expect the average rate to be $2,137.86. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Solana's maximum price could be up to $2,572.46 in 2030. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market.